If you're tired of working 9 to 5 and still being broke, listen up. I found a way to make money from home that actually works. It is called copy trading, and you don't need any skills or experience to start. Stick around, because I'll show you the exact steps I used. Hey there, I am Lisa. For example, where do you think the market trend will go next? And I already knew about it. Copy trading lets beginners make money by following pros, and that's exactly what I do. Curious? Tap the link in my bio, like and follow for more.